My dear students, today we can start our new lesson, reading map. Last year we studied about map, different types of maps, globe and its features. Before starting our lesson, we can discuss some general facts about reading maps. First of all, we want to know about what is map. Can you say what is map? A representation or drawing on the earth surface or a part of it drawn on the flat surface according to a scale is known as a map. Or otherwise we can say that a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. is known as a map. Okay. Then what is globe? Globe is a spherical model of earth. The word globe comes from Latin word globus, meaning round mass or sphere. Okay, can we read map? Last year we studied that we can read the map with the help of the directions given in the map or with the help of latitudes, longitudes, symbols, signs, etc. shown in the map. Okay, look in the textbook. There is an explanation is given. It is about a mistaken bombing. We can read. The Chinese embassy at Belgrade in Yugoslavia was destroyed in an air bombing on 7th May 1999. 3 embassy officials were killed and 20 injured. China vehemently condemned the NATO airstrike. Who put an air bomber? NATO. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It consists of America and its allied powers. They are America, Canada, Britain, France, including in this organization. Following this, the NATO military chiefs expressed regret on their error. The mission had misfired as they were using a map that had not been updated. What is the reason for? By mistaken they put air bombs. The reason is that the map had not been updated. It was said in the apology that they were unaware of the Chinese embassy functioning where the Belgrade military station used to be. Okay, from this you may understood about the importance of maps and the accuracy of the information therein. Then it is a military operation. The maps used for military purposes are not the same as the ones we used for study purposes. That means there are different types of maps used in different purposes. Generally, maps are divided into, or mainly maps are divided into two: physical maps and cultural, political maps. Maps representing natural features such as physiography, climate, etc. are called as physical maps. Then, what is political map? Maps which shows the cultural features are known as political maps. That means maps representing man-made features such as agriculture, industry and political boundaries are called as cultural maps. Look here. Here we can see different types of maps and its uses are given here. Can you say which are the different types of maps? Can you say? Okay. First one, political map. I already told political maps. It used for understanding the political boundaries of a country. Used for understanding the political boundaries of a country or a region. That is the main use or purpose of political maps. Second one, historical map. It depicts the boundaries of old kingdoms and countries. Next, land use map. It shows, or the main function of land use maps are to identify for what purpose the land of a region is used. Then another one, military map. Military map is used for military purposes. Okay. Then weather maps, astronomical maps. This map mainly used for the study of celestial objects. We know that we are aware of different science about or we got detailed about the celestial bodies. For identifying the celestial objects, we used these astronomical maps. Then next one, weather maps. Weather maps are mainly used for the atmosphere, to find out or realize the atmospheric condition in an area of a day. The atmospheric conditions of a day. We can say that one in our TV and all weather forecasting. They used what? Weather maps. With the help of the weather map, we can find out the weather conditions of different places of a regions. Okay, there is a work for you. Please match the write down the use of each on the signboards against them. Make use of the indicators given below. Indicators തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് for understanding the land use. Which map is used for understanding the land use? Land use map. Then, like that, identify for the study of celestial bodies, we use astronomical map. With the for meteorological studies, we study meteorological studies. We use which map? Astronomical maps. For military purposes, military map. For understanding the political boundaries, we use political maps. For the study of history, historical maps. Okay.